Sun's burning low on the Texas shore. We rig the lines and load the bait once more. Wheels on the sand, drone in the sky. Saltwater samurai riding high with coastal cracking jokes.
Hey friends, Robert here with Coastal GX out at South Padre Island. Beautiful day out here, no tide, everything is cool, but you know why it's so special? Because I got Saltwater Samurai Ismael, Smiley.
How's it going?
Yeah, man, he came down all the way from H-Town. Tell me, man, what are we gonna be doing today?
We're just gonna try and catch some sharks. So I have one set out already.
Yeah?
We had one break off last night, early this morning. We lost about a 5-footer right here, real close.
Wow.
On just a cast out. So that's what we're gonna try and do. Make up for that catch another one, and whatever, anything.
And he's ready to go, man. Show me, what do you got here? What are we gonna be casting right now?
This is cow nose, like a stingray.
Yeah?
This is half of one. I used the other half last night. I went just with the wing last night, so this one I'm gonna go a little bit bigger. But it's an 8-ounce weight, and the magic in these are the legs, man. There's 1/8 inch legs. They're heavy, they're thick, they're not gonna bend, right? So what works is not necessarily the weight of it, but it's the making sure that the legs are secure in the sand, right? And don't bend out and don't get pulled with the current.
You and your team make those?
Yeah.
Everything that we're gonna be using today, it's stuff that Saltwater Samurai fabricates.
Everything but the reels, rods, and line, yeah. All the tackle.
Amazing.
Hooks.
Okay, well, let's get to work.
Yep.
I got my Aeroo Pro Drone over here. Now check this out. 16-ounce Saltwater Samurai hardcore weight. And this huge chunk of bait over here. Yeah, man, it's pretty crazy. So we're gonna see, I've never done anything remotely as close to that. So let's see if it works. I mean, I hope the drone doesn't fall off from the sky, so let's give it a try. And by the way, behind the camera, I got my friend Joe. Thank you, Joe, for taking care of business. All right, let's say a little prayer.
The home point has been updated. Please be mindful of the new return to home point.
We are at 1,000 feet.
That's probably good there, huh?
Yeah, I'd say. Okay, we're gonna drop it. Let's see here. Let me make sure that the camera is recording the dropping event. And
you keep going. But we're good. There you go.
Wow! Incredible! Woo! Joe, we did it! We did it,
Good
Smiley!
job, man. Hey, that's gonna be my next drone. Yeah, I like that drone.
Smiley, okay, this is what he's thinking about. Bro, let's not get crazy, man, okay? Let's not get a little too, you're getting a little too wacky over here.
Hey, you gotta put it to the test.
Yeah. Yeah, why don't you just send out a cow or half a pig or something, you know? So Smiley wanted to mess around with some bigger baits, and of course, he brought out the fancy gear, his Swell Pro Fisherman Max. Now, the Aeroo Pro is technically rated for about 2.5 pounds, but we're pretty sure that cownose ray alone was pushing 3. He actually wanted to drop a big old chunk of Jack Crevalle too, but yeah, we figured we'd let the Swell Pro handle that one instead. Is it having trouble?
What's that? Is it not doing it?
No.
Oh, is it too heavy?
I think so, bro.
Oh, dang. All right, hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's too heavy. Let me release the payload for now.
Yeah. Whoa, that's crazy.
There was a lot of action in the water, so I figured I'd toss the net real quick. I think I got a lot of them. And man, I didn't expect to pull up that much shad. It was loaded.
That's badass.
Yeah.
That's enough. That's
Go
awesome.
be free, babies.
Hey, so that's...
You saw that amazing drop. Now I'm gonna try with this other shad right here.
The home point has been updated. Please be mindful of the new return to home point.
Barbara! Barbara! That's a big shark.
Smiley called it, said it was a shark, and yep, he was right. That thing wasn't going down easy either. It put up one heck of a fight.
I don't want to lose him. Then we're out a little bit.
This is a whiting. You put the whiting on this one.
Yeah. Hold on. Watch your fingers, that's like a shark.
Barbara, Smiley's wife, bravely tagged the shark for the Texas Shark Rodeo. TSR is a catch, photo, release tournament focused on shark conservation. Teams log sharks, earn points, and help collect data for research. No cash prizes, just bragging rights and a good cause. As for that 5-foot blacktip shark, we let it go safely back into the Gulf. Maybe one of you will hook it someday.
Of the new return to home point.
That shark hit on fresh whiting, courtesy of our teammate Cleo. As soon as we landed the bait, we hooked it up and sent it out with the Aeroo Pro Drone.
There he goes.
There it is. Beautiful. Guys, let me tell you, this is another hookup. And again, this is what we send out with the Aeroo Pro Drone and a whiting. And the boys think for sure it's got the signs of a shark.
Ah, that feels good.
Amazing.
There you go. There you go.
Feels good?
Yeah. Getting a little bit of an attitude now. You can see the beach. Let's go, baby. Where's Cleo at? Cleo, this is your bait.
So Cleo's back there. Cleo, there she is. She's a little shy.
She's landing the bait.
Cleo has been nailing the whiting that's being used
He's coming this way.
to catch these
He's coming
sharks.
towards us now. He's hauling ass to the right. Ish. Am I over anybody's lines?
Negative. Oh, it's not a shark. Oh,
Watch your
yeah.
head, Mark. Watch
That's
your
not
head.
a
He's
shark.
Still fighting, Mark. Watch.
It's not a shark. It's not a shark. No, that's a jack.
That's a big jack.
Yo, did you get a jack?
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, baby! Hey, That sucker was fighting, boy.
Oh my God!
Hey, the first one on the Saltwater Samurai leader too. Here.
Okay, Smiley, you've been digging in, doing a little surgery on the big jack.
Yeah.
What was inside it?
A bunch of shad. I never have luck on shad. I think you said you don't either, but man, the jacks are eating. They're feeding on
It was pretty clear
shad.
what was going
We gotta
on.
bring it back.
The jack wasn't just feeding on the big whiting, it was chasing shad right along the surf as well. I was locked in at that point. I wanted to catch my own whiting and swap out the shad on my hook. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I really wanted. Ended up landing a solid one and send it back out with the Aeroo Pro Drone. Christmas in April. What do you got there, bro?
Just, man, for all the help you've given me.
Aw, man.
Me and Barbara, we appreciate it.
Dude, it's our pleasure, bro.
And it's not a lot, right? Stuff that I don't
No,
already give you. So these
Yeah.
are some new leaders that we just made,
Yeah.
and then some new
Oh,
weights.
these are always important out here.
Yeah, 4 ounce and 5 ounce.
Very nice.
The ones that were given you before were copper steel.
Yeah.
So these are stainless steel.
Okay.
The copper steel, in my opinion, they hold better, but they do rust. These, you know, they,
Yeah.
and they hold just as good.
Nice.
So you got those, and then
What do you got? Look at this. It's pretty cool.
so these are just regular leaders.
Thank you.
But
Thank
then
you.
these are, I guess, a little special.
Well, it's like to paddle people, man.
Yeah. the ones that don't subscribe.
Yeah.
Then,
Yeah. Don't act like you're not watching. You know, I see the.
yeah. So little bait
Yeah.
boards. You want to give them out to your subscribers.
Oh man, that's awesome.
You want to just hang them all over the house.
Yeah,
yourself,
it's
whatever.
beautiful.
So.
Thank
then
you,
there's
thank
that,
you.
Like a regular cutting.
Oh, that's nice. That's gonna be with me all the time.
Yeah.
It's kind of.
Coated?
They're not coated,
No,
but I'll probably
get them a coated one.
might get one for you that's coated.
Well, I was gonna say they're kind of too beautiful to
Thank you.
to chop up, but that's what they're for, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you so much, Smiley. I appreciate you, man. My goodness. Oh, wow. Guys, this is crazy. Deja vu.
Let's go!
All right, are you gonna stop? Are you finished? With all the pulling and the drama? What is drama? Oh.
Yeah. There we go.
Hook 'em. You coming, Daddy? You gotta be coming over. Yeah. No. I hope it's a jack.
Still feeling there, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It's not my imagination. Yeah. Robert woke up. Robert was getting sleepy.
Falling asleep.
I told Smiley we got to get the trifecta, man.
A lot more to go.
Oh my God.
This thing is up to that third line.
That awkward silence.
Yeah, stand still with them. Like.
Jesus. Oh my goodness. What the hell?
Yeah, I hope it's a big bull shark.
Oh my God, it's not finished. Uh-oh.
Hey, he's still running.
Oh my God.
It might be in an odd spot, maybe.
If I move over there?
Move over a little bit and
Yeah.
try to gain on it.
Yeah.
Move over and stop.
All right, friends, this battle dragged on for nearly 40 minutes, so I'll spare you the full struggle. Let's just say it was hands down the most intense fight I've had on the line. Whatever was out there wasn't moving an inch. That's when Joey Weatherford, a seriously talented and fearless angler, decided to step in. He went way out into the surf and came face to face with the culprit, a massive stingray. Thank you, sir.
Well,
Incredibly brave, and oh my God. Joey managed to guide it onto the beach where we got a quick photo. He estimated it around 4 feet wide and over 200 pounds. Oh my goodness. He then led it back into the ocean where it swam away safely.
I stopped by just to say hi and I realized what was going on. I didn't see the fish going left or right down the bar. Wasn't really making any adjustments, was just kind of stalemating, not wanting to really do anything. So I knew immediately, within 5 to 10 minutes, I was like, oh, it's a big ray. So pretty much I made the call, like somebody's gonna have to go over there and pull it over the bar, otherwise it's not gonna move for hours. So I made the call to walk out there and pull it, and once I got leader in hand, it was like hold leader so I know where she's at, so she doesn't come back around and get me. Thankfully this one didn't have a bar, but you know, that's their self-defense mechanism. That's how they're going to defend themselves. So I suggest anybody that's dealing with them, have gloves, be ready to deal with a barb. Because I mean, I've caught them the size of my palms, you know, 5-6 inch barbs. And that's not a fun time when you get one of those in there with infection and everything kicking in. So it's not a fun time.
Let me tell you what is a fun time, subscribing to the channel and tagging along for more South Padre Island adventures. Trust me, it's way less painful. The sun is setting down on the camp. Yes, what a day, guys. Over here, Saltwater Samurai's camp by the beach here at South Padre Island. Gotta tell you guys, it was an amazing day. I don't think if we would have planned this a little bit better, it's impossible. I mean, it was great. Everybody was on, and let me tell you how impressed I am with these folks over here. You know, from Smiley to Joe, Miss Cleo, and of course Barb. I don't know where Barb is.
She's in the truck in the phone.
She's in the truck. But let me tell you guys, it's a team effort over here. Okay, everybody pulls their weight. Everybody's taking care of business, and they do it for fun. Okay, yeah, you know their product is available online. You can see it down below, and I'm gonna have it in the video description. But they're here for the fun of it. Okay, they love what they do. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hit subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Go follow my friend Smiley at Saltwater Samurai, and if you enjoy that drone, were you impressed with what that little drone can do? Yeah, I'll have a link down in the video description as well. All right, love you.